Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experiences with the platform. Today, we're taking a closer look at PeoplePerHour.com, a platform designed to connect freelancers with clients seeking their expertise. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out on your freelance journey, PeoplePerHour offers a range of tools and resources to help you find work and manage your projects effectively. PeoplePerHour facilitates connections between businesses in need of specific skills and freelance professionals who possess those skills. The platform covers a wide variety of service categories, from writing and design to web development and marketing, ensuring a diverse marketplace for both clients and freelancers. Navigating the site is fairly intuitive, allowing users to easily search for jobs based on keywords, categories, or even specific skill sets. For freelancers, creating a profile on PeoplePerHour is a key step in showcasing your talents and experience to potential clients. Your profile acts as your online portfolio, highlighting your expertise, past projects, and client testimonials. It's essential to craft a compelling and comprehensive profile to attract the attention of businesses browsing the platform. Similarly, clients can use the platform to post detailed project descriptions, outlining their requirements, budget, and desired timeline. This transparency helps to ensure a good match between client needs and freelancer capabilities. PeoplePerHour also provides various project management tools to streamline communication and collaboration throughout the project lifecycle. Features like integrated messaging and file sharing facilitate efficient workflow management, keeping both clients and freelancers informed and organized. The platform also incorporates a secure payment system, ensuring timely and reliable payments for completed work. Overall, PeoplePerHour provides a structured environment for freelancers to connect with clients, manage their projects, and build their freelance careers. From finding new opportunities to managing ongoing projects and receiving payments, the platform offers a centralized hub for all aspects of freelance work. So, if you're looking to explore the world of freelancing or find talented individuals for your projects, PeoplePerHour is definitely worth checking out.